Hi, we're at the Doug and Diane Kanarowski garden in Mariposa, and Doug is going to be talking about his vegetable and fruit garden today. Doug?
There you go. Yeah. By way of background, I've been here on this place for about a little more than 40 years. I've lived all over the United States and I've gardened all over the United States. I started gardening at age 5 when I fell in love with Indian corn, and it actually grew for me. So it seeded my interest in gardening. Now the reason that we're going to kind of start in this area is because a good gardener does a lot of pre-planning. And one of the things you'll notice is everything that I do around here is all at the same level. Mariposa is full of hills and mountains and flat spots, and we're at a pretty flat spot here where we've got a chicken house behind you, we have one vegetable garden behind you, we have my horse barn down below, which supplies me with horse manure. Another consideration for Mariposa, by way of a crop, if you look uphill here, you'll see a white electric fence, and behind that fence is that's horse pasture. So I have a total of 5 acres here. 4 acres is pretty much cleared and usable land, but the upper acre is an acre of trees. So I end up growing all of my firewood here as well. So this whole place is all integrated to all work together. It's not just vegetable gardening, it's really everything.
Doug, what is your altitude here?
I'm 3,600 feet.
Okay.
And of course in Mariposa you have different elevations where things grow, and the other thing is you have microclimates everywhere you look. I have a lot of microclimates on here. There's really 3 kinds of gardeners, and 2 of them are unhappy. There's 3 kinds. The 2 of them are unhappy. The first guy is a person just starting off, and they can't have enough. They're sad, they're unhappy because they don't have enough this, they don't have enough roses, they don't have enough daffodils, they don't have enough whatever, and enough fruit trees, and so on. So they're not quite happy yet. The one in the middle has got just the right amount that they can handle the work, and it's still fun. Should be fun. There's a few gardeners that are at the fun stage. But what happens is we go past that too readily. So we start to acquire too much and more than we can take care of, and it becomes a mental burden on us, and we look out and we see the weeds, and we see things that need watering and trimming and fertilizer, and we tend to throw up our hands and quit or just leave it go. Now actually the smartest thing to do, and my wife came up with the appropriate word, I used the word downsize, but she used the word right size. So if you get to a point where you've got too much, you can't take care of it, and you're becoming a miserable person, start right sizing back down to where it was fun. So that's my thing there.